Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of personal finance and embark on journeys towards financial freedom. Today we're exploring an essential aspect of this journey. Debt-free journey, how saving money can help. Debt can often feel like an inescapable burden, chaining us to financial stress and limiting our ability to pursue our dreams. Yet, the path to freedom from this cycle begins with a fundamental shift in our approach to money management. It's about embracing the power of saving. Imagine a life free from the weight of debt, where your hard-earned money works for you, not against you. That's the essence of a debt-free journey, a transformative voyage toward financial independence. And saving money is the cornerstone of this expedition. In this video, we'll unravel the interconnectedness of saving and debt freedom, delving into practical strategies and insights that can propel you towards a more secure financial future. But more than just dollars and cents, relieving stress and opening doors to endless possibilities. Join me as we explore the pivotal role saving money plays in this remarkable voyage to financial liberation. Debt is a pervasive presence in many lives, often casting a shadow over financial aspirations. Understanding the debt-free journey requires recognizing its nuances and the significance of liberation from financial obligations. This journey is more than just settling outstanding balances. It's a mindset shift. It involves a deliberate effort to reevaluate our relationship with money, prioritizing financial health and long-term stability. Imagine waking up without the weight of impending payments, without the anxiety of overdue bills looming over your head. That's the promise of a debt-free life. However, to embark on this journey, it's crucial to understand the intricacies of debt. It comes in various forms: credit card debt, student loans, mortgages, and each carries its challenges. The debt-free journey necessitates a holistic approach, addressing not only the numbers but also the behaviors and habits that led to indebtedness. Moreover, this journey isn't just about numbers on a balance sheet. It's about reclaiming control, regaining peace of mind, and empowering oneself to make informed financial decisions. It's about breaking free from the cycle of borrowing and repayments to embrace a life where financial choices are liberating, not constraining. Saving money isn't merely a financial habit. It's a pivotal tool in the pursuit of a debt-free life. It forms the bedrock upon which financial stability and freedom are built. While it might seem daunting or challenging, saving money is a proactive step towards breaking free from the clutches of debt. Consider saving as a shield against unexpected financial storms. Having a robust savings cushion helps mitigate the need for borrowing in emergencies, reducing the reliance on credit and thereby preventing further debt accumulation. Moreover, the act of saving cultivates discipline and financial mindfulness. It involves consciously allocating a portion of your income towards savings, prioritizing future security over immediate gratification. This intentional approach to money management not only aids in debt reduction, but also establishes a healthy financial mindset that lasts a lifetime. Additionally, savings serve as a resource for future investments, allowing you to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Whether it's through building an emergency fund, investing in assets, or planning for retirement, embarking on a debt-free journey begins with practical steps toward saving money. While the prospect might seem daunting, implementing specific strategies can make this endeavor not only achievable but also transformative. Budgeting techniques. Start by creating a comprehensive budget outlining income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back or eliminate unnecessary spending. Tools like apps or spreadsheets can help track expenses and stay on target. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly expenditures critically. Consider alternatives or ways to reduce costs, such as negotiating bills, opting for generic brands, or eliminating subscriptions you don't fully utilize. Setting financial goals. Establish clear, achievable goals that align with your vision of financial freedom. These goals act as motivational milestones on your debt-free journey and keep you focused on your objectives. Automatic savings plans. Consider setting up automated transfers to a separate savings account. Pay yourself first by automatically directing a portion of your income to savings before spending on other expenses. Investing wisely. Explore investment options that suit your risk tolerance and financial goals. Whether it's a retirement account, stocks, or real estate, smart investments can multiply your savings and accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. By implementing these strategies, you're not just saving money, you're paving the way for a more secure financial future and expediting your path to a debt-free life. Imagine a life unencumbered by the weight of debt, where financial decisions are driven by choice rather than obligation. Achieving a debt-free status brings forth a multitude of benefits that extend beyond just financial freedom. Firstly, a debt-free life grants you unparalleled peace of mind. The absence of looming payments and accrued interest fosters a sense of security, allowing you to focus on personal growth, career aspirations, and cherished experiences without the constant worry of financial liabilities. Moreover, being debt-free means having increased flexibility and control over your finances. You dictate where your money goes, allocating it towards investments, savings, or endeavors that truly matter to you, rather than servicing debts. This liberation from debt empowers you to make decisions aligned with your long-term goals. Whether it's pursuing higher education, starting a business, or traveling the world, a debt-free existence opens doors to opportunities that might have previously seemed out of reach. Furthermore, a debt-free life positively impacts mental and emotional well-being. Studies indicate reduced stress levels and improved overall happiness among individuals who have successfully eliminated their debts. Embarking on a debt-free journey isn't without its obstacles. Challenges often arise, testing one's resolve and commitment to financial freedom. Understanding and overcoming these hurdles is an integral part of the process. One of the primary challenges is maintaining motivation and consistency. It's easy to feel disheartened when progress seems slow or when unexpected expenses derail your plans. Staying resilient in the face of such setbacks is crucial. The strategy is to stay motivated, including celebrating small victories, finding support networks, and revisiting your financial goals regularly to stay on track. Another challenge is changing spending habits. Breaking away from impulse buying or adjusting to a more frugal lifestyle can be difficult. However, adopting a mindful approach to spending and consciously redirecting funds towards savings can gradually reshape these habits. Moreover, life often throws unexpected curveballs, medical emergencies, job loss, or major repairs that can disrupt financial plans. Building an emergency fund becomes crucial to cushion these blows without resorting to additional debt. Achieving a debt-free life through mindful savings isn't merely about numbers on a balance sheet. It's about reclaiming control. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt. Every step taken toward saving money is a step closer to breaking free from the chains of debt and opening doors to a brighter future. I encourage you to take the insights shared today and apply them to your financial journey. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate each milestone reached. Whether you're just beginning or well along the path, know that every effort counts. The power of saving money extends beyond financial benefits. It's about empowering yourself to live life on your terms, free from the constraints of debt. Embrace this journey with determination and optimism, knowing that each dollar saved brings you closer to the financial liberation you seek. Take charge of your financial destiny today. Until next time, stay committed to your goals and keep saving towards your brighter, debt-free future.